Have you ever wondered why so many dieting myths persist in the face of scientific evidence? We live in an era where information is at our fingertips, yet when it comes to dieting, misinformation seems to run rampant. This is especially true for dieting myths that seem to defy scientific evidence and logic. From the notion that skipping meals leads to weight loss, to the demonization of all fats and carbs, these myths persist, often causing more harm than good. But why is this the case? It's simple. These myths are easy to believe, they offer quick fixes, and they conveniently ignore the complexities of human nutrition. However, as we delve deeper into these myths, we'll uncover the truth backed by scientific evidence. We'll shed light on the most common misconceptions and provide you with the factual information you need to make well-informed dietary choices. So, stay tuned as we unravel the truth behind these dieting myths. First up, the myth that skipping meals leads to weight loss. This notion has been circulating around for quite some time. It's easy to see why some might think it's a shortcut to shedding those extra pounds. After all, less food intake equals fewer calories, right? Well, not exactly. When you skip meals, your body goes into survival mode. It slows down your metabolism to conserve energy, which means fewer calories burned. And that's not all. Skipping meals can also lead to an increase in hunger. This surge in appetite often results in overeating during the next meal, which can lead to weight gain, not loss. Several scientific studies have corroborated these findings. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, for instance, found that skipping meals can lead to abdominal weight gain. So skipping meals, not a great idea if weight loss is the goal. Don't fall for this myth. Instead, aim for a balanced diet and regular meals. Next on the list, all fats are bad. But is that really the case? This myth has been around for decades, with many people mistakenly believing that consuming fats inevitably leads to weight gain and health issues. But let's set the record straight. Fats are not the enemy. In fact, they're an essential part of our diet, providing energy, supporting cell growth, and aiding in the absorption of nutrients. The key lies in the types of fats we consume. There are two main types: unsaturated and saturated fats. Unsaturated fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are considered the good fats. These are beneficial for heart health, help reduce inflammation, and can even lower bad cholesterol levels. Research has consistently backed these points. On the contrary, saturated fats, often found in fast food and processed items, can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Clearly, not all fats are created equal. It's the type of fat, not the presence of it, that matters. Finally, the myth that has vilified an entire food group: carbs are the enemy. Now let's break down this misconception. Carbohydrates, often shortened to carbs, are not your enemy. In fact, they are crucial for your body's energy production. They fuel your brain, heart, and muscles during physical activity. But here's where the confusion arises. Not all carbs are created equal. There are refined carbs, like those in white bread and sugary beverages, which are stripped of their nutrients during processing. These are the ones to limit, as they can lead to weight gain and other health issues. On the other hand, whole carbs are found in foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Research has shown that a diet rich in these types of carbs can help maintain a healthy weight and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So, carbs aren't the enemy. It's the type of carbs you eat that can make a difference. Let's recap what we've learned today about these dieting myths. We've debunked the notion that skipping meals leads to weight loss. In truth, it can lead to nutrient deficiencies and even weight gain in the long run. We've also busted the myth that all fats are bad. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados and olive oil, are vital for our bodies to function properly. Lastly, we've shattered the misconception that carbs are the enemy. They are a critical source of energy, and it's the type and quantity of carbs that matter, not their mere presence in our diet. The key takeaway here is that a balanced diet rich in nutrients is the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Don't fall for fad diets or quick fixes. Instead, lean on evidence-based dietary advice, tailored to your individual needs and health goals. Remember, when it comes to dieting, it's important to separate fact from fiction. Thanks for watching, and keep questioning.